If you missed what happened in the NBA today, I got you. The Memphis Grizzlies took down the Utah Jazz 122 to 115, and Ja Morant reminded everyone why he's him, dropping 28 points, 7 assists, and making big plays when it mattered most. But let's talk about Luke Kennard. Dude came off the bench and turned into prime Ray Allen, matching his career high with 30 points and drilling 7 threes. Every time Utah tried to make a run, Kennard was there, lighting them up from deep. And speaking of Utah, they were down 19 at one point but fought all the way back to tie it in the third quarter. Colin Sexton and Lauri Markkanen were cooking, but in the clutch, Memphis had the answers. Ja and Kennard took over late, icing the game with some cold-blooded buckets. That's 4 straight wins for the Grizzlies, and they're finally finding some rhythm. If Ja keeps playing like this and Kennard stays hot, the West better watch out.